have NYX Thickening Eyebrow Gel. These like this are so great. Also looks like it has some like little fibers in it. One thing I do really like about NYX Cosmetics is their undertones. They do the best undertones, I feel like, for a drugstore brand. The first layer is dry, let's go and do a second one. Thick formula, and it's a little bit sticky too. So I think that's how it builds up into the brow. I'm just really pressing it in. Last layer is supposed to fill and also shape your brow. I'm just finishing up the last one. Tiny bit more on this side, and oh my gosh, look how full my brows are. This is insane. I have never seen them this full in my life, like ever. This looks crazy to me. Up close, do you see this? Far away, they are full. You have got to try it out. Good job, NYX.